In primetime news this evening, Market Me and Ministry of Health arrangement probed by PAAC. Suspect in daring daylight robbery in Westmoreland now in police custody. And Hugh Faulkner is the new Indicom boss. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman J.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening: how are you preparing your children to return to school with the reality of COVID-19?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.